So I mean that's about 44% of the developers for mobile and wireless devices are going to start building and developing applications for netbooks. I have to rush a little bit, I know. Okay, Terry Krim, a good friend of mine, founder of netvibes.com, left NetVibes 2 years ago, started his own project called Jolly Cloud. You can go to the Jolly Cloud website and you can download, you have to apply for an invitation, but he sent out already 40,000 of them. In my opinion, not only a cloud computing OS, or here's NetVibes again, not only a cloud computing OS, but I kind of call it a social OS. Tariq has a huge background and record when it comes to social networking, and the way he combined this interface. By the way, the next version will be completely HTML. At the moment, he is using a Ubuntu Network Remix backend. He had a couple of new developers now for his kernel. But the interesting thing is what you see over here, the dashboard. It's the first thing you see when you're logging into the Jolly Cloud. Like on Twitter, like on Blurk, I know, Blurk, I have to get to Blurk again. You can follow people and groups, right? And every time someone is going, for example, is going to install a new application on his Jolly Cloud device, you will get a notice about this. You will get a notification when they are subscribing to new groups. Right? So it's kind of interesting to see what the people you're following are using, what kind of devices. So that's the dashboard where you can see all this, what is going on, messages and everything. And over here, what's that? Okay, over here you can just see what kind of applications you installed. There's a little info screen for the updates. If there are any application, any updates for application available. Oh, sorry about that. And that's his App Store. The App Store is running. There's a complete business plan even behind this, because at the end of the day, everybody needs to make money with it, right? So developers will be able to sell their apps also over the Jolly Cloud App Store, and it's really working fine. And I can only try to force you to try it out on your own, because it's just a completely different approach to cloud computing. So actually, that's it already. If you want to check out my site, netbooknews.com, we have a Twitter account, next to your Blurk account. That's my name. I'm on. When you type in my name, I'm signed up to all these social networking things, and that's my Twitter account. And yeah, if you have any more questions on this, I would be glad to answer them right now. Otherwise,
各位有没有什么样的问题想要请教？那用中文也可以，我可以待会翻译。
I could come over to him and give him a microphone.
There are many editors that make network will announce new production on network. Would you think it will change the market of the cloud computing or netbook market?
Well, there's a huge rumor going on that Apple wanted to launch a netbook. They're not going to launch a netbook, definitely not. They will come out with a kind of tablet version, right? Like a kind of big iPod Touch. I don't know, maybe it's called the iPad or something. I don't know. It will be a tablet. They will run iPhone OS on there, or the iPod Touch OS on this. And of course, they're taking advantage of their whole App Store thing, right? You should expect this device. I think just today, a first picture of it got leaked, even though it looked also, again, powered by Photoshop. But you already could get an impression how it will look like. So yeah, huge advantage from Apple. I think the way we are using cloud computing, it might change somehow, but I can tell you something. Tablets are on the market for 10 years right now, and they never had success, because people love keyboards. Right? And try to type an email. When people are telling me, "Oh, my iPhone is a netbook," I said, "Yeah, okay, then write some 7 articles on my blog a day on your iPhone, and then you know how cool your netbook is." Right? So it's a different market, different usage scenario, right? Of course, Apple has a huge fan base. It will be successful somehow. I'm doubting the success for the mass market.
What kind of market do you think will the smartbook go into? Will it be a consumer electronics or a niche market?
I think they will definitely get bundled with telcos, so that you need to go into the cloud with a smartbook, because it's like 2 GB SSD, and you can store a lot of applications on there. So you would see them combined with a 3G contract, right? So and that's the business plan behind this, right? Creating traffic, doing contracts, and I think they have the chance. If you can buy a device like this for $150, they have a huge chance on the consumer market, definitely. Oh, okay, my time is up. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for your patience. And again, I will get plugged next time.